I don't know you, and you don't know me, but I got your letter, and it was with me when I got injured. And maybe your davening for me saved me from what waited for me. And I'm going to say, I want to say thank you, Emma. You're a lovely little girl, and I wish I could find you someday and meet you and your parents. And thank you very much. And if someone can find little Emma Platt for me, it's going to be amazing. Thank you very much. Letters from little kids from America. And I picked one. And it was written there, "Hello, soldier. We love you. We are davening for your safe." And her name is Emma Platt. I don't know where she's from. Hopefully I can find her somehow.
Platt?
Emma Platt, this is her name.
Is that a yellow or she was a lady? How old is she?
I don't know, she didn't write any...
Oh, the name was Emma Platt?
Emma Platt,
She
that
wrote
was
on a
the
card.
name.
Watch this. You ready?
You're not gonna get a kid.
Like that? I'm gonna find it right now.
Is it with crayons or a pen? זה הציורים או עם...
It was written, the letters was, you know, you can see that the little child wrote it.
Oh,
You're not gonna find it.
Relax.
I don't know. I hopefully, but I took her letter and folded it and put it in my combat vest.
He said, when I got hurt, I had a paper with me. And this paper was a letter from a kid. A kid that's like in America. I don't know who she is. He said, I don't know who this kid is, but I know her name is Emma Platt. And the letter was so beautiful. And it said, be strong and Am Yisrael Chai and something like that. And he signed his name at the end, and she signed her name at the end. And he said, I took it and I put it in my uniform and I brought it with me to war. And he said, when I got hurt, the only thing that kept me alive was Emma Platt. And I want to tell you guys that I don't know who Emma Platt is, but every single one of you is like Emma Platt. You might be Rachel Bernstein, or you might be Esther Hoberman, but you're literally each Emma Platt. Do you understand what I'm saying? Each of you is saving a soldier right now. Sometimes we hear a story like that, and sometimes we don't. But here's the thing that's happening right now. Everybody wants to find Emma Platt because the soldier was crying and he was begging, please find Emma Platt. So all of us here in America, we're like our own little army. And we did some investigation. And we were like, we need to find Emma Platt. And guess what? We found a girl. She lives in Hollywood, Florida. Should I call her mother right now? Okay. Can you hear?
Hello?
Hi, is this Ronit?
Yes.
Hi. My name is Siri Price.
Hi, how are you?
Do you know why I'm calling?
Yeah, I saw the DM.
Okay,
Just a few
before
minutes
you
ago.
say anything, I just want to let you know that you're on speaker with a few thousand people.
Oh gosh.
I'm on a live Tehillim call with thousands of kids who gather for Am Yisrael every night.
Amazing.
And I'm shaking while I'm talking to you. Is your daughter Emma Platt?
Yes.
How old is she?
She's almost 11.
Does she remember what she wrote in the letter?
I don't know.
Is she there? Can we talk to her?
Let me check. Hold on.
Okay, thank you.
Hi.
Hi, is this Emma?
Yeah.
Hey, Emma. My name is Moritz Siri. You don't know me, but I live in Baltimore. And I hope it's okay that I'm on a Zoom call with like about 3,000 kids. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So did you hear this about a soldier in Israel? Did you hear anything?
Yeah.
what do you think it was your letter? Are you the Emma Platt that the whole world is talking about?
Yeah.
I mean, what did you write in the letter?
I wrote I was davening for him
Okay.
and that he's doing a very good job and that he's protecting a lot of people and that he's a hero and that he's doing a really big mitzvah and saving a lot of people's lives.
Emma,
Yeah.
do you realize how crazy this is? Do you realize how crazy it is that a soldier kept your letter and it kept him alive?
Yeah.
There are so many people who right now feel so proud of you. I'm so proud of you and I don't even know you, but you should feel, I mean, I don't know what I would feel if I was you because it's like the most unbelievable thing in the world. And your mitzvah, I can't even, I don't have words to explain. And the reason why I'm doing this live is because I want thousands of kids to always remember that you never know what action you do is going to literally save someone's life. Emma,
Yeah.
Emma, you're a hero.
Thank you.
You're a hero. And you can't see the kids now, but could everybody clap for Emma? Could everybody like stand up for Emma? I'm going to connect you with that soldier when he wakes up in the morning, okay?
Okay.
We're going to make sure that this soldier gets to know you personally, that he wants to thank you so badly.
Okay.
Did you see the video?
Yeah.
Wow. It's unbelievable. Emma, you're a gem.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I'll be in touch with you later.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Emma.
Bye.
Hey.
Hi.
Wow. Eitan.
Hi, Eitan.
Eitan, meet Emma. How
Eitan,
are
we did the
you?
impossible.
There's nothing impossible for you. I understand it. I understand it now.
It was from Hashem that we came to visit you. The whole thing was Bashert and from Hashem.
Amazing, 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 amazing. So
Okay,
can
don't
I
talk
meet?
to us. We're gonna just sit in the background. Yes, you talk to Emma. Go.
Are you Emma?
Yeah.
Emma, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Thank you very much, Emma. It means a lot to see you now and talk to you now.
Thank you.
Your letter it's not. I trying to find your letter because it was on my combat vest and
Well, I'm so happy my letter meant something.
it meant it means a lot to me. I took your letter and folded it, and 2 hours later I got injured. And I thought to myself that if I will manage to go out and survive this day, I'm gonna find Emma Platt. And thanks to this wonderful, amazing person here, Avi, and the rest, and David, and everybody, we just did it. I next time you should write your email or something, or your mommy and dad's email, so it will be much easier to find you.
I was in Israel on October 7th, and it looked very scary. So
yeah,
you're doing a very great job.
Emma, tell me, how old are you? What do you do? What grade?
Almost 11 years old.
Amazing. And where do you live?
I live in Florida.
Miami or somewhere else?
I live in Hollywood, Florida.
Hollywood, Florida. You know, maybe now that I can remember, I think there was a stack of letters, and some of them was written Hollywood, Florida, but you didn't write any personal details about you. And I thought to myself, this one is going to be difficult. But amazing that a lot of siyata dishmaya now that I find you.
Oh.
A lot.
Well, I'm going to continue to daven for you and Israel's success. And
Emma, you can be sure that also it was very frightening being here at October 7th. Me and my friends and all the other soldiers, we are making it better now, and we are just making sure that it will never happen again. And in a couple of months, I invite you to come here to Israel. Do you have family here?
yes, I have my grandparents in Renana.
Yeah, so my brother, I think, is in the same kehillah of in the Bet Knesset of your grandmother. Somehow I got it somehow, and she wanted to
Wow.
visit me. And next time you're in Israel, I'll be more than happy to meet you and your family.
Yes, I will come.
And it will be much safer here now, thanks to my friends and all the soldiers that are fighting like they fight. Emma, you did something to me this day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're a beautiful little girl, and you'll grow up and you'll build your family.
Thank you. You're doing such a good job, and
Amazing.
I heard that you fell off.
Where's your parents?
Emma,
Can I
Eitan wants to meet your parents. Exactly. Where are your parents?
Where's your
Eitan
parents?
wants to
Can I
meet them.
see your daddy or mommy?
Hiding. They're hiding.
No, we're just letting her take the attention.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, shalom.
Listen, someone raised
Hello.
her, so
Yes.
Hello, Miss Platt, Mrs. Platt.
Hi, Eitan.
This is Yoni.
Where's Yoni? Hi, guys. Do you speak
איתן,
Hebrew?
איפה אבא שלך?
כן, מדברים עברית.
Ken.
תקשיבו, אתם באמת, המכתב הזה היה כל כך
Who is that?
עמוק ומתוק ותמים, ואני פשוט קיפלתי אותו ושמתי אותו בתוך הווסט שלי, בתוך הווסט לחימה, כאילו, ויש לי שם ציורים של הילדים שלי, מכתב מאשתי, נולד לי ילד לפני 3 שבועות, אז את הידון של הבית חולים.
בטוויטר בזמנו, זה היה סיפור בטוויטר, לפני כל הסיפור.
נכון. And there's 3 things there and Emma's letter.
סיפור מדהים, ואנחנו שמחים נתן לך מידע של חיזוק.
ממש. אני ממש אשמח לפגוש אתכם פעם הבאה שתהיו ברעננה.
זה חשוב גם לילדים פה בארצות הברית לראות שהמכתבים ומה שהם שולחים באמת מחזק.
בוודאי. אנחנו ישבנו שם, we were sitting there on the outside of the house that we came out to the operation from it, and we just we just passed the stack of the letters between us, and everybody picked one, and it was amazing. Kilo, who was thinking about us, sending us letters, davening for us? It was amazing. You are doing something good if this is your daughter. You're doing something well.
תודה.
מתי תבואו ארצה שוב?
אנחנו היינו בסוכות ועזבנו מיד אחרי, ומקווים עוד מעט. אני גדלתי ברעננה, אז המשפחה כולם גרים שם.
אני ממש אשמח לפגוש אתכם פעם הבאה שתהיו פה.
שמעתי שיש לך משפחה ברעננה.
יש לי משפחה ברעננה.
קוראים לזה Jewish Geography. תוך איזה שעה אני מקבלת אודות. I know him, his brother, his sister-in-law.
Yeah, I think they from the same. Are they part of לחון רעננה הקהילה?
No, but הם גרים במזרח העיר, אבל כולם מכירים את כולם, אז איכשהו.
So it's your mom that wanted to visit me?
כן, כנראה.
She's more than welcome.
איזה יופי. אוקיי.
מדהים.
אנחנו מאחלים רפואה שלמה.
תודה רבה.
עם ישראל חי.
תודה רבה. ממש חי, תהיו בטוחים, תהיו רגועים, תראו את חברים שלי פה יחד איתי, לוחמים, באו לבקר אותי, אתם רואים? there's blurring
A
here,
little blurred
so
out.
never mind.
It's a little blurred.
Yeah.
But
עם
Eitan, when you
ישראל
told us
חי,
that you were going to get
yes,
together,
back. We
it's
are
amazing.
fighting, no worries here. We're gonna win like it's gonna be a knockout, no worries.
I mean, we know.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you feel better.
I will, Emma, I promise you, I will.
And we'll meet next time we're in Israel.
Hopefully, I'll be happy.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, guys.
So much.
Okay.
Emma and your
Eitan.
family, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Eitan,
Platz.
thank
Thank
you
you,
so
Emma.
much.
We love you here.
God
Eitan,
bless.
להתראות.
Bye, חברים. Bye, bye.
Say no.